Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Taya here again. Today we're going to be making these super delicious chocolate banana muffins. These are some of my favorite desserts and it's super easy to make. So grab your pots, grab your pans, and we're going to just get right into the video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. Just click that subscribe button down below. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so we're going to start by sifting all our dry ingredients. Just combine all our dry ingredients in a bowl and sift that. Then we'll whisk them because you just have to whisk everything to make sure it's well combined. You don't want to taste something in a muffin that you didn't taste in the other muffin. We want everything well combined. That's the theme of this video. We want all our ingredients to be well combined. Here we're gonna do our wet ingredients. Yes, we're mashing our bananas, and then we're going to go ahead and add all our wet ingredients and make sure those are well combined as well. For this recipe, I will be using vegetable oil. I'm not gonna use butter because I just feel like butter doesn't give you like the most moist muffins that you could get. And to even push these muffins a little further with the moist factor, we're gonna do sour cream. For me, sour cream has to go into my bananas, my muffins, anything, like even some cakes that I bake, I have to have sour cream in it just to keep it moist. I feel like sour cream plus vegetable oil is like that moist factor, like it makes everything moist. But yeah, so here I'm combining my batter, and I'm adding chocolate chips. So I use bigger chunks for the batter and smaller chunks to top the batter. I have no reason for this except the fact that it's just aesthetically pleasing for me. So if you guys want to do that, you can, but you don't have to. You can use the same big chunks on the top of the muffins and it will look just fine. So these were baked for about 40 to 50 minutes, and here we have these deliciousness. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and also if you haven't already subscribed and you made it to the end of this video, what are you doing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate all of you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Have a great day.